Welcome, AI Bits and Pieces Community. Today I want to go over NotebookLM and do a quick introduction. I did something in ChatGPT where I asked it to create meeting minutes from a process flow meeting for customer service. So we're going to go through that. It's really easy. This is a super powerful tool once you understand how to use it. And I'd encourage everybody just to take meeting minutes and bring it into NotebookLM and try the different features. So I'm going to show you a couple main features right now. So the first thing is just create notebook. I start NotebookLM with my Google account. It's actually a Google product. Bring it in, and you're going to see that you can bring in different sources. You can upload files, websites from your G Drive. I'm just going to go copy text right now. And from that customer service meeting minutes that I had ChatGPT create, I'm just going to go ahead and insert that. You can see that the pasted text was entered very rapidly. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. You can import videos, and it does a really good job of transcribing them if you just need to get transcription from a video. So I'm just going to put customer service. Okay, perfect. These are the sources. Now you can bring in as many sources as you need to. In subsequent videos, I'll go over how to use more advanced features, but let's just use this one right now. So this one's already selected, obviously, because it's the only one. You can see it's already done a summary here in the center. And the center panel is actually Gemini. So that's the LLM for Google. You can ask it questions, but what makes this unique is when you ask it a question, it only pertains to the source documents that you have selected in the source column. So now let's do something really cool. Let's go ahead and make a process flow illustration, or what they call an infographic. So the first thing is make sure you have the proper source selected. You can go into infographic. We don't need to put in anything special right now. You can give it special instructions, but we're just going to choose scientific. We're going to leave it at landscape. We'll leave it at English, and then we're going to make it detailed. And then we're going to hit generate. And you're going to see that that's churning in the background. So while that's happening, let's do a couple other really cool things. So the first one is for those that are familiar with mind map, that's native to the application. You just hit mind map. This is a really quick process. And if you want to see if the AI understands the process that you were talking about, this is a real quick check. For those that have not used mind maps, mind mapping is a way to see the logical flow of major components of any flow. So you can see here we have our customer service flow. We have the initial contact of the customer calling in. So the customer initiates call, or there's other menu options that we captured. So we have billing, technical support, and then account changes. So you can see here the logical flow that the AI understood from the meeting minutes. And now you can see the illustration is done. So I haven't looked at it yet. Let's look at this together for the first time. Now I already can see, because we chose scientific, this is really getting down into the detail. So while we're going through this, I'm just going to kick off another infographic, except I'm going to do professional and I'm going to do standard to see if it simplifies it. And we'll let that kind of run in the background as well while we come back to analyze this. So we have our steps that we have. So starting at the bottom, we have step one, which is the automated intake. What does a customer want? Billing, tech support, account changes. You can see it has graphics that are representing some type of process flow or department queuing. From there, it moves to the other various steps. It'll go up to agent connection, diagnostic assessment, and then you can see the different decision paths. So this looks visually very professional. It's very detailed, and it did this strictly from the notes that we provided it from meeting minutes. Now, while this is generating, let's do one other thing. So I can, because it's an LLM and it's like ChatGPT, we can ask it questions. So we want to ask, what are the major processes of the customer service routing? Now what it's doing is it's actually reviewing the information that is in the customer service meeting minutes, and you can see customer initiates call, call routing, agent assessment, issue identification, and so on. NotebookLM, in short, is really good at digesting various types of information, allowing you to organize it, and then you can ask different questions of it, and then utilize these tools in the studio to get different types of output. Just so happens our new logic flow has been completed. And now you can see here's another view. I'm not as crazy about this one. You can see here how we have first call resolution, support tickets, and I'm not too crazy about this. So what this means is I need to go back and refine the criteria when I created the infographic, which we can do another time. So here I'm just going to put bad content, and then we can submit partially incorrect, and we'll submit that to get feedback back to the engines to improve that in the future. Really quick demo of NotebookLM. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, put your questions down in the comments.